Hi everyone, it's Josh from Miles Away here. Today's video is the very last video of 2023 and is one I love doing every year ever since I started. I think I did do it in 2020 as far as I know. Today's video is called At a Closer Look 2023 Model Train Awards. So basically it's all the reviews I've done this year, and I picked one from each category, which today's categories are Diesel Locomotive of the Year, Steam Locomotive of the Year, Wagons of the Year, and Coaches of the Year, or Coach of the Year, like that. And I want to thank you all for commenting on all of my reviews I did, from the first one being, I don't know if you can see it up there, the Accurascale Caledonian Sleeper 92, which won last year's award for the Model of the Year, and that's another one, I forgot about that one, the Model of the Year as well. And that was a great start of the year, having the winner of last year's awards first as a review, because I did not do like reviews after Christmas until the new year. So I will be doing from now on, after, because I did do two between Christmas and today, I will be doing reviews between Christmas and New Year every year now, if I do get anything. But I want to thank you all again for watching my reviews this year, and it's the first time that I've called it something since I started on the channel. And I want to say thank you for liking the reviews, commenting on the reviews and all that. I loved doing the reviews this year, and there will be a lot more next year. So let's get straight into the Diesel Loco of the Year. And there was only one I had to choose. It's the DAPL 59. It's a great looking model, and I love the box, as you can see, because it's probably one of my favourite liveries as well. If I open it, it's the original Foster Yeoman livery, and I will link the reviews down in the description down below of the winners, basically, because you'll see more on that rather than this, because this is the Diesel Loco of the Year for me for 2023. The next award is Steam Loco of the Year, and there was only one, which I bought it last month at the Worley exhibition. Is the Rapido Lion. It's a great steam loco, because it comes with like the booklet, as you can see, and also it is really tiny. It is, as I said, I will leave the reviews down in the description down below, and I must admit it is a great looking steam loco, and I can't wait to do more in the coming years of steam locos. So that's Steam Loco of the Year. And the next one is Wagons of the Year, and is the Accurascale FNA-Ds. These are a great model because I really enjoyed. I won't show you them because I will link the review of them in the description down below. They are a great model, the nuclear flask wagons are, because I've got to say they are my favourite wagons of the year, because there was the Rapido Ferry Van, which is very good, the Sonic Models one as well, and also the Revolution Trains TUA tank wagon, and that was a great model. It was just pit to the FNA-Ds. Bit of a mouthful really, but that was the wagons of the year. Coach of the year, I had to do this one because it's the Accurascale Trans-Pennine Express Mark 5s, and I must admit, they are great. I love the box as well, as you can see, because the Mark 5s are exceptionally brilliant. They are, and as you can see, it's huge, the box. When I first had it back in January, I think it was the 4th review of the year, I was like, wow, they're huge. They are. The box, that is, not the coaches. The box was huge, along with the Caledonian Sleeper versions, and I must admit, it's the only coach I enjoyed this year. Even though if I had a surprise award of the year for a present, it would definitely go to the GNER Mark IV, because that one, I was not expecting that from one of my subscribers, Danny from Ivor Junction. I was surprised that I got it. That if I did have an award called Surprise of the Year, it would definitely be that one. Because, as you know, next year, it was meant to be this year, but the 89 would be great with that coach. It will. So, that's that. But if I had to choose the model of the year for me, there's only one. The Accurascale Mark 5s. They are the model of the year, and the second year in a row that the Accurascale have won a model of the year from me, because I must admit they were my favourite rolling stock I loved throughout this year, and I jolly enjoyed it, of doing all reviews including the Mark 5s. And I want to say well done Accurascale for doing the great coaches for the Mark 5s. I would highly recommend, if they do a second one, I would recommend getting the Mark 5s, because they are amazing coaches. And I'll leave the video there. I hope you enjoyed my awards video, and from next year the videos will be spread out. It won't be every week, but keep an eye out on the 2nd. There possibly will be a review on the 2nd of January, which is in 2 days in fact. So keep an eye out. I won't reveal what I'll be getting, but it's something I've seen from a manufacturer which I announced a few months ago. And that's the next video, but the next video after that will be the new series of Britain's Greatest Trains, and the first one is of the Class 68, and that's a week tomorrow on the 8th of January. And that's the proper video other than the review on Tuesday. So I hope you can join me for the next review on the 2nd. So if you are new around here, smash that subscribe button down below and click the bell for all notifications, everyone, and also like this video and share this video so everyone will know that I've uploaded my video. And I will see you in 2024. See everyone, and have a good New Year's Eve and day. See everyone. Bye.